If your boss asked you to delete some number of rows from an entire Excel sheet, then you can do this shortcut for save a lot of time. For an example, in this case, there is a lots of number of row here with a draft section or draft name. But what I need to do, I need to delete all of the rows where it mentioned the draft. First of all, I need to select the section or the cell, and I need to press Ctrl F. After that, you will find them all, and clicking in the cell or section, then you need to press Ctrl A to select them all, and that's it. After that, you will close this section, and from the keyboard section you will press Ctrl minus. This will ask you that how or which format you want to delete. I need to delete the entire row. I will select that one and press OK or click OK. And boom, this will delete all of your draft rows. That's it. I believe this is gonna save a lot of time of yours. And if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to share with your friends, and you may also welcome to hit the subscribe and the like button. Thank you again. See you in the next video.